Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to explore an amazing tool. I usually consider most of the tools that are built out of the box on a Linux installation pretty much a goal. So this is an interesting software. Usually you tend to create blocks in different ways, like with this tool that is called shellCMS, that is based on bash blocks that are just tools for creating static sites. And it got my attention, so I decided to enhance it because, well, I don't have anything against Barry Kauler, but this block seems a little out of date. The idea of having information in this way presented very quickly is amazing, but sometimes you want maybe just a little bit more style and just a little tweak on that. So with permission of him, I just created shellCMS, but Bulma. It will add all the CSS library. You have just an enhancement, pretty enhancement, and you can create amazing blocks like this one. So basically, you have very quick load and all the interactivity of Bulma CSS. So you can check the repository here at mailkit shellCMS.bulma. What you need to run it is just have Ubuntu and have bash. That's everything. Then let's take a look. So when you download shellCMS and want to start from zero, you can check the usage. I wasn't running it properly. You can just do a quick reset of the path of the installation that you want to do. So usage is you will run the bash script, the relative path of the installation, in this case wwnews, and the command as it is stated in the shellCMS help. We have interactiveness, but this will be more at the end of the video, that I will be going on that. So let's dive into it. So let's create a new post. Same structure, post. It will ask for a tag, so let's do my new tab, and it will launch your editor of preference. Right now I configure it to use Vim. So writing the page and telling it to post, it will create me this amazing web page. It's out of the box. But what happens, how to configure it? You have these files that allows you to control different parts of the CMS. For example, here I can just change the way that columns are oriented, and if I do just a quick rebuild, you will see that the configuration is immediately applied after a rebuild. Of course, it's uncentered and so on and so forth, but you can see that now all the configuration is applied. You can change almost everything: the icons, the links, the kind of search, whatever is created here. It could be just throw the. You can check categories. You can check all the posts. You can have a RDSS if you want to. So it's pretty amazing software. Difference, yes, besides Bulma, and right now there is this thing called interactive mode, where you can use dialogue to basically do the same. Let's say I don't want anything of this, but I want to create a new category. Same thing. I just interact with it the same way. It's just a little bit more interactive if you like UI. And I just created the same post with the same title. We'll just get the replace. Let's do it again, but let's create with a new name. My category. So let's replace this by R3. That should be enough change. I do F5 here. You will get the new entry immediately after posting. So, and you have different interactivity. You have that is IG. I remember that. Oh my God. Let's try it again. Well, the advantage of this code being open source is that you can just check it out. What you need to check. So icon. Sorry, this is the one that I was looking at. Oh, I don't have installed the libraries. Sorry for that. But if you come, if you go to my blog, you can check that I have created also these kind of icon library menus, so you can also use it instead of dialog. So pretty much just check it out, take a look, go and navigate the ideas and create a blog and see how fast it is, because right now what we just created with the software is just 300 kilobytes, and if we go to just to check how fast are the blogs that you create with this software, they are pretty much ultra fast, and you, for a blog, that's what is important, how quick you can add new information to it. So just checking this out very quickly. Pretty good. You can tune it up to pass all things, but now you can see very quick, very speedy. You can save on things and you can tweak it like the most of you, maybe one. Tell me if you want to check some other options to see more in depth, or just to check it out, maybe how to edit with Newbie. I have a blog, Andres, and it was a pleasure for you all. Thank you.